So previously we had gone through the AR, ARM and ARK words like rhyming words. So basing on this, let us read one phonics rhyme poem today in page number 81 of your textbook. Now open page number 81 and let us read it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, why do you shine so far? So he is asking, a boy is asking and talking to the stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. The stars are twinkling and they are shining so far. Why do you shine so far? I have a star on this jar and a star on my car. So he is telling that, can you see what the boy is having in his hand? So he got a car and a jar, and can you see a star on both of them? Yes. He is saying that I have a star on this jar and a star on my card, but you are brighter than they are. So who is brighter here? The star which is there in the sky is brighter than the stars on the car and the jar. So twinkle, twinkle, little star. So this is a phonics rhyme which we want to read and enjoy it. So just read it and enjoy it. Let's read and enjoy. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, why do you shine so far? I have a star on this jar and a star on my card, but you are brighter than they are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. So try to read it. Now let us go for the next one. Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm. He pulled his cart with just one arm. He pulled his cart to the mart to sell his crops and buy a tart. Now can you see here, there is a man. What is his name? His name is Old MacDonald. So MacDonald is the name of that man and he is very old person. That is the adjective describing about the man. He is MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm. What did he have? Can you see backside there is a farm. He pulled his cart. Can you see a cart? So with two wheels and two poles to move it. So the man, he is carrying some load in that cart and he is pulling it. Just one arm. So one arm, he is using only one arm. We cannot see the other arm in this picture. So that means he is having only just one arm. Maybe by using one arm he is very strong maybe, or he might not be having the another arm, but still he can pull that one. He pulled his cart to the mart. Do you know what is a mart? It is a big shop like shopping mall. We have D-Mart. So like that, marts are nothing but the shops. To sell his crops and buy a tart. So what does he want? He want to sell his crop. Whatever is there, what did he got from his field? He want to sell that crop. Then he want to buy a tart. Do you know what is a tart? Tart is a food item which is just like a pizza or something by using all the vegetables. It is an eatable thing. Okay. Now, let us read it once again and enjoy it. Old MacDonald had a farm. He pulled his cart with just one arm. He pulled his cart to the mart to sell his crops and buy a tart. Now, from first and the second poems, you want to underline the rhyming words with AR sound and also the ARM sound ending words. Try to, and you have also ART, AR, ARM, ART. So like that, whatever rhyming words you can find in the first two poems, try to underline them and write them in your classwork. Now let us move to the third poem in page number 81. Jack and Jill went to the park to play before it got dark. They heard a big dog bark and bark and they ran out of the park. So can you find here two characters? Jack and Jill. And can you see one more? It is a dog. So where did they went? They went to the children's park. Jack and Jill went to the park to play before it got dark. Means in the evening time when the lighting is there, they went. So they don't want to go in the night time because it will be very dark. So before it becomes dark, they thought to play in a park. So while they are going to a park, they heard that the dog is barking. Can you see the dog? They heard a big dog bark and bark. And they ran out of the park because the dog is barking. Can they stay there when the dog is barking? No, it may bite them. Okay. So because of that, they ran away from there and they might have gone to their home without playing in the park. Now, tick all the rhyming words which are ending with ARK and write them in your classwork. Now, once again, let us read the poem. Jack and Jill went to the park to play before it got dark. They heard a big dog bark and bark, and they ran out of the park. Now read it and send the audio.